This video/stream is sponsored by The Marketplace, powered by Trader Central. Recently launched, The Marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase perks to fast-track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access The Marketplace.
Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Before that, let us look at the economical events calendar for today. Today is Friday, 29th July, and we have lots of low impacting news planned for major currency pairs. And at 11 AM we have medium impacting news for euro related currency pairs. Again at 2:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs, and at 6 PM we have medium impacting news for Canadian dollar related currency pairs and high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to plan your trade entry and exits based on this news event schedules. I'd like to request my traders to have a proper plan before taking the trades. The entry level, stop level and the profit targets also. And once your target is reached, whether it's going to be a loss or a profit, please exit the trade. Don't let your emotions to get involved with your trades. Then you'll end up losing more. Stick to your plan. Market will always give multiple chances, but you have to survive in the market to take all these chances. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend, and currently we have noticed a price action to take support on the previous support levels, and currently the price action has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. The first level of resistance in daily time frame was 1745, where we have noticed a price action to take support and bounce back. Currently the price action has broken this strong resistance levels and it is in a continuous bullish side retracement. We can also notice that it has made a very big green candles, which shows the volume of the price action. The buyers want to take the market on the bullish side, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1773. So looking at the current price action, this level between 1680 to 1665 has acted as a very strong support. So currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support level on the bullish side, and there are more chances for the price action to break this resistance level, because when compared with this support level, this resistance level is much weaker. And when we ask the question whether the bullish trend reversal has started in daily time frame or not, we'll use a Fibonacci tool to find it out. So from the level of 1680, the price action started trending on the bullish side, and currently when we notice the price at which the price action has closed, it is around the level of 0.786, which is a very important resistance level in Fibonacci tool. And if the price action continues to trade on the bullish side, it will be a trend reversal on the bullish side. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 0.786, it will be a trend reversal on the bearish side based on this Fibonacci retracement tool. And in daily time frame, the price action is still trading on a bearish channel pattern, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, it will be a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame according to this bearish channel pattern. So these are all the levels we are hoping that price action will respect and bounce back on the bearish side. Don't enter into the trade before this level and wait for the price action to bounce back from these levels, because we cannot trade on the assumption. We are not market maker, we are only a trend follower. we know that there is a resistance over here. Wait for the price to bounce back or to break this resistance to trade with the trend. So currently the price action in daily time frame is in a very strong bullish side retracement, and if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1773, it will be the continuation of the bullish trend. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1745, we can expect the price action to continue its bearish side trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, previously the price action was trading in a very nice bearish trend, and currently we notice the price action to take support on the support level of 1680, and currently it is in a bullish side retracement. Let us draw a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action. I am taking the support level from where it started its bullish side retracement. So based on this bullish channel pattern, we can clearly notice that the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance line also, we can expect it to take support on the bullish channel pattern support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side. Currently the price action is trading between a very strong support and very strong resistance. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. So in hourly time frame also I am drawing a support line or a trend line. So based on this trend line, we can notice that the current price action is in a bullish trend, but we can also notice that the price action has started to form a small candles, which means the bullishness is becoming weaker. So wait for the price action to break the support line in order to take trades on the bearish side trades. Next level of support is going to be the 4 hours time frame bullish channel pattern support line or the trend line. And if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame. So it is very important you draw a trend lines or the support lines like this to understand the current trend of the price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. For 30 minutes time frame also I am seeing the price action to respect this hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and it is in a very nice bullish trend for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. Wait for it to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. The confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal comes only when the price action breaks the previous low of 1734 for 30 minutes time frame. And next level of support will be the support line from the 4 hours time frame. Only when the price action breaks this higher time frame support line, we can expect the continuation of the bearish trend in higher time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1773, next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame bearish channel pattern resistance line. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the start of the bullish trend in daily time frame and also in the lower time frames. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. For 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing a support line and resistance line. So based on this resistance and support line, we can clearly notice that the current price action is trading on a sideways. It has tested this resistance line and currently it is trending on the bearish side to take support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. Wait for the price action to bridge this higher time frame support line or the trend line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the lower time frame in order to take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Wait for it to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.